iSolved is a comprehensive cloud-based platform designed to streamline payroll, human resources, and workforce management processes. Tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, iSolved delivers an intuitive and unified interface that simplifies complex administrative tasks, improves compliance, and enhances the employee experience. Whether you're managing payroll, handling benefits, or overseeing workforce scheduling, iSolved equips organizations with tools to operate more efficiently and strategically. So, in the ever evolving world of business operations, managing payroll and HR tasks can become daunting without the right tools. Businesses need solutions that go beyond basic payroll processing to include compliance management, employee engagement, and insightful reporting. iSolved addresses these needs by providing an all in one platform that integrates payroll, HR, benefits, and workforce management. So, this video provides an overview of iSolved's features, their benefits, and why it stands out as a leading payroll in HR management tool in 2024. So for the key features of iSolved, first is the unified payroll and tax management. So iSolved automates payroll processing and ensures compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations. This streamlines payroll processes, minimizes errors, and ensures timely tax filings to avoid penalties. Another key feature is their human resources management or HRM. So it offers tools to manage employee data, track performance, and ensure compliance with HR policies and regulations. This simplifies HR tasks while providing a centralized repository for employee records and compliance documentation. Another key feature is the time and attendance tracking. It tracks employee hours, schedules, and attendance in real time, integrated seamlessly with payroll. This reduces time tracking errors, improves payroll accuracy, and ensures compliance with labor laws like overtime regulations. Another key feature is the benefits administration. It enables employers to manage and administer employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and voluntary benefits. This simplifies the open enrollment process and ensures employees can make informed benefits choices. Another key feature is the employee self-service portal. So this allows employees to access pay stubs, tax forms, benefits information, and request time off via a user-friendly portal. So basically, this reduces HR workload by empowering employees to manage routine tasks independently. The next key feature is the compliance management. Offers built-in tools to handle compliance with labor laws, tax regulations, and industry-specific requirements. This mitigates risks of non-compliance and helps maintain regulatory adherence effortlessly. Another key feature is their learning management system, or LMS. Includes tools for employee training and development to enhance workforce skills and compliance training. This supports workforce and development initiatives and ensures employees stay up to date with required certifications and skills. Another key feature is the customizable reporting and analytics. So it provides detailed reporting and analytics tools for payroll, HR, and workforce data. This empowers decision makers with actionable insights to improve business strategies and operational efficiency. So, why is iSolved a great choice? iSolved's all in one platform is tailored for businesses seeking a solution that combines payroll, HR, and workforce management. Its intuitive interface and automation features reduce administrative burdens, enabling businesses to focus on strategic growth. So the platform also excels in compliance management, ensuring companies stay aligned with labor laws and tax regulations. Additionally, iSolved supports employee engagement through its self-service portal, which streamlines communication and empowers employees to take control of their HR needs. The system's scalability makes it suitable for business of various sizes, ensuring that it can adapt as the organization grows. So basically, iSolved is a powerful tool for modern businesses looking to optimize their payroll and HR processes. Its comprehensive suite of features, from payroll automation to employee self service, makes it an invaluable asset for small and medium sized enterprises. With a focus on compliance, efficiency, and employee engagement, iSolve not only reduces administrative headaches, but also enhances workforce satisfaction. So, for businesses aiming to stay competitive and compliant in 2024, iSolved offers the tools and flexibility needed to meet today's challenges while preparing for future growth. Whether you're a small startup or an expanding organization, iSolved is a reliable partner in streamlining your HR and payroll operations. So if you need more information about iSolved, you can always visit their website. So from here, you will see all of the features and services they offer, such as HR and payroll, workforce management, it's like what I said, talent acquisition, and as you can see in their tagline, the HCM platform that grows with you. So basically, as I said, iSolved is scalable. So iSolved scales with your business. You can also see the tabs right here in the top we serve. So here are the industries using iSolved. Here you will see the platform. These are the platform and the features that they offer, and also resources right here. So basically, that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.